Hi friends, welcome to Baran Creations, Health, Cooking and Crafting. In this video, I will show you something new. That is, I will show you how to make cake turning table. And to make this, you need one paper glass, one thick cardboard, pen, small screwdriver, one bolt, two nuts and two washers and a piece of aluminum foil. And let's start to make. Now take the thick cardboard and mark center. Then take the screwdriver and put a hole according to the size of this bolt. Now insert this bolt into the thick cardboard. Now turn it back and put a washer. And then put this nut. But don't insert the nut too tight because it will be uneasy to rotate. Now take a piece of aluminum foil and cover the whole cup. Cover the whole paper glass with aluminum foil, and to secure it you can use sellotape. Secure it with sellotape. And this part is ready. Mark the center. Now put a hole according to the size of the bolt. After inserting hole, now take the plate, main cardboard base, and insert it into the hole. Now turn it back and put this washer. Now take the nut and insert it. Shut. Insert it tightly. It's ready. And this turning table is ready. Just for display I had used a car, but actually it is used to decorate cakes. It is very easy to make and it is low of cost and it works very well, and I recommend you to try it. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, hit thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit bell icon to get notified. And if you like this idea, then comment. Thank you. Bye.